Fathom AI review. Is this worth it? Well, let's find out. Fathom AI is a tool that joins Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls as a virtual assistant. It automatically records your meeting, transcribes audio into text, and delivers AI-generated summaries of key takeaways, action items, and decisions within seconds of the meeting ending. It also integrates with platforms such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, Notion, and Zapier to streamline workflow and share insights. So the free plan includes unlimited meeting recordings and transcripts, with paid tiers unlocking flexible supports and advanced integrations. So here's why it's legit and has its strengths. It offers the high transcription accuracy. They also have automated summaries and action items, some integrations, and they even have unlimited free tier. And they also have a strong rating and user acclaim, although it comes with limitations and known issues. So there's no real-time transcriptions, they have some bot appearance which can be intrusive, and the platform has limitations. They even have speaker recognition imperfections and some integration limitations in free tier. So it's best for professionals and teams who hold frequent virtual meetings. And it's not best unless suitable for users requiring live captioning or real-time transcriptions in meetings. So in conclusion, it is worth it for users attending high volumes of virtual meetings and wanting to offload follow-ups and CRMs syncing. Well, yes, especially since the free plan provides powerful Zoom support.